Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLB. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed double-clutch transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.